Yun, thank God it's Friday. Kakatapos ko lang sa work. It's 6 p.m. No? Dito na ako sa West Perth nag-work. And it's 19th of September, meaning official release today nung new Apple products. So pupunta ako dito sa Apple Perth City. I-meet ko si My Labs, no? Kasi nag-pre-order siya ng iPhone. So deserve naman ni My Labs kasi yung gamit niya is lagi nang nalo-lowbat. So it's about time for her na mag-upgrade, no? Kasi most of the time ang problem niya is at the end of the day, low battery na yung phone niya. So kailangan niya ng better phone na longer battery. Kaya nag-pre-order siya ng iPhone and today niya makukuha. So it's about I think more than 4 years sa kanya yung phone. So it's about time for her na mag-upgrade. And at the same time, I'll be moving from a Huawei smartwatch to an Apple Watch, no? Kaya yun, medyo excited din. So mimit ko siya. And yun, siguro balita ko mahaba yung pila. So may schedule naman kami ng pick up, which is 45 minutes from now. And yun, simple joys, excited lang. Ayan, ganda ng panahon, 17 degrees, hindi gaanong malamig. And yun, Friday. So, labasan na sa work yung mga tao. Actually, dito sa Australia, especially on Fridays, medyo chill sila. Most companies, 4 p.m. Tapos na yung work. And ang common kasi na number of hours dito is around 38 hours per week. So, around 7 hours and a half every day. Whereas compared sa atin sa Philippines, ang common is 40 hours a week. So dito, 38 hours lang. Sarap ng weekend, no? Especially pag Friday, going on weekends. So na-appreciate ko yung weekends ngayon kasi yun, especially na work from office na tayo. Like before na nasa bahay lang ako, hindi ako lumalabas kaya namimiss ko yung paglabas-labas. Pero ngayon, yun, lagi ako nasa labas every day and minsan nasa site pa ako, no? Kaya yun, talagang namimiss ko yung yung weekend. Ito, kunin yung iPhone. Ayan, ang haba ng pila. Pero anyway, sana ma-accommodate kami kasi mayroon naman kaming pick-up time which is 6:45. Ayan. Haba ng pila. Oh, mayroong activity. Mayroong ano ba to? Drag racing. Car racing. Car enthusiast. Mga old school Mga old school cars. Ayun. Ano kaya yun? Mga sports car. Medyo mas bago yung nandun. Napaka-rininis, oh. Singer sewing machine. Meron kami dati nito sa probinsya. Singer. Excited si my loves. Nakuha na namin. Simple Joys.